today's video, we are going to be looking at the Oster MYBLEND Personal Blender. Did I love this blender and would I purchase it again? Let's go find out. Alright, so let's get into this. Included with the Personal Blender is a BPA-free 20-ounce blend and go bottle that is impact resistant and dishwasher safe. It also comes with a convenient on-the-go lid. It has a little tiny handle and it's perfect for that one-finger carry and go. Also included is a removable blade attachment. As you can see here, it has 2 sharp sides and 2 serrated sides. And last but not least, the one-button, simple operational 400-watt blender base. This personal blender is designed for quick and easy cleaning and also made compact for simple storage. It fits just about anywhere. Alright, now let's get this little blender and put it to the test. Will it make my yummy mango shake that I make all the time? I don't know. Let's check it out and see what happens. Let's go ahead and line up the notches, stick it in place, and twist, and give it a go. Alright, so you can see that it's nice and thick here, but I want it creamier and smoother, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more almond milk just to smoothen that out. Ooh, baby, look at that. Nice, creamy, and smooth. Perfect consistency. Exactly like I like it. This Oster MYBLEND Personal Blender really met my expectations. Considering it only had 1 button and 1 speed, I really didn't know what to expect. But I gotta say, I'm happy with my new blender. I think it would be perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, and probably even cocktails. So there you have it, guys. That is my honest review on the Oster MYBLEND Personal Blender. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got a lot of information out of it, and I hope it was very helpful to you. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.